So this is the set that we're going to be working on today. It's a very simple, very easy nail art to do. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started, bestie. Hello, my beautiful besties. It's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. So for today's video, like I said, it's going to be some easy nail art, and we're going to be using these stamping plate. This I purchased from Born Pretty. I do have a discount code with them if you're interested. It's in my description box. For my cover color, I'm going to be using Tan Shimmer Glow from Mystic Acrylics. I will also have that link available in the description box in case any of you guys are interested. So to get starting with this set, today's going to be a short video compared to my regular videos. So I just wanted to come up here and just talk to you, have a little chit chat and about life, because life be lifing, and so you can enjoy this set. So I hope you do. And just pay attention to what I'm doing. It's very straightforward. I don't think I need to explain myself. If you do have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the description box. So I'm going to start by giving my shout out. So shout out to everyone who takes the time to watch my videos. Shout out to everyone who likes, comments, and share my videos. It helps me out a lot here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone who's new to my channel. Welcome to my Nagelly bestie. Thank you so much for joining the crew. Shout out to my moderators and shout out to my Patreon. So thank you so much for your love and support and for your donation to my channel. So for my Patreons, please let me know in the comment section below. I know one of my members asked for a 3D nail class and I cannot wait. So let me know if everybody is on board and we will get to scheduling that. I can schedule a 3D nail art sesh with you guys. So anyways, oh my god, a lot has happened with me recently. um like I said, life has been lifing. I had a ton of videos recorded, pre-recorded, and scheduled already, and so I haven't recorded in a little bit. But one of the things that I went through was that I actually had an appointment with my dentist and they removed um, a tooth. And so for a while, I could barely speak well. And then because it's me, because this is the type of shit that happened to me, um, it got infected. So it's all within my health condition. I have talked about this in previous videos. I was taking certain medication which will suppress my immune system. And when that happens, it's hard for my body to fight infections. And so I'm more prone to infections because of that. Although I did stop the medication like 2 weeks before, it still happened. So I had to go back to the dentist and they, took care of the infection. And so then I was another week, because then they had to stitch me up and all that good stuff. And they prescribed me antibiotics and all that and a mouthwash so that everything can heal properly. So here I am today. I'm feeling a lot better. Thank God. It's been quite a journey for this past 2 weeks. Um, and yeah, aside from that, well, I finally got diagnosed. I do have a health condition. It's an immune uh, system situation that causes me to have pain. So I did get diagnosed. I haven't started the medication yet. I'm scared, bestie. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I hate needles, and unfortunately, I was really working harder, never becoming a diabetic, so that I wouldn't have to use insulin. I am a pharmacy technician, so I do know what patients go through. And yeah, unfortunately, the medication for this condition is injectable, so I have to deal with that. Um, but let's see what happens. I do hope that the treatment works and it makes it easier for me. because that way I won't be so uncomfortable when I sit down to record a video or even working. Hopefully, gets better. I can, be more active. That's partially the reason why I gained weight. I was taking, what is that called? Ooh, brain fart. I was taking a medication that kind of suppresses, like I said, the immune system, and also, unfortunately, makes me gain weight. And because the pain was so severe for so long, I was almost to the point of being bedbound. I did get up every day to go to work, but that's as far as I took it. So that's why I took that long break, because health wise, I wasn't doing very well. I am very grateful for the people that often reach out to me and look out for me, and always, they know my condition, so they're always looking out for me. So thank you to you beautiful ladies, which are Christine and Crystal. Those are my two YouTube angels. So yeah, here you saw me kind of fanning out the nails, is because is the sticky base is a air dry. So it takes about 30 seconds to dry, but it's very, very it dries really fast and it works beautifully. So I am an ambassador for many allergies. So I do have a discount code with them if you guys are interested. Check out my description box. I have a few links there that I do have discounts on if you're interested in any of the items that I do use. I did have to go back and re-pick this image up because I was not happy with it. Um, so I did that off camera. You're going to see me placing the image and it's going to look a lot better. This is when I was like, no, I don't think so. It doesn't look very good. So that's kind of explaining that part. I did not record the bling placement. The bling placement was very simple. I wanted this set to focus more on the nail design than anything else. So, I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, let me know if um, there's anything in particular that you want to see from me, and I'll get to working on it. I have to start recording more often now again because I don't have any more pre-recorded videos. So I'm kind of in a rush here. I don't know if I'll probably, after this voiceover, I'll try to record another video. I'm not sure yet. It all depends on how I feel after this voiceover. And of course, it does take time. If you're a YouTuber, you already know it takes time to upload the videos. So shout out to every nail content creator or content creator period here that is watching this video. You guys know how hard and how much work we put into this. And yeah. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm applying base coat. So this is to protect the image. This is to protect the chrome from the monomer, because I will go in with the acrylics right after I cure this for 60 seconds. I do like to cure every gel for 60 seconds for some reason. Um, so I wanted to explain this part for those of you who are not very familiar. But stamping is a very easy art to do. I love stamping. I'm not the greatest though. I'm still working on it. However, I enjoy it so much. And the stamping queen, Sandra Sparkly Sets, I love watching her stamp her nails. She does such an amazing work. And oh my God, she's just wonderful. So shout out to you, Sandra. So recently we did a collab, and never in a million years I thought that she was going to be taking over my channel. Oh Lord, she did such a good job, and she was funny, and she was just amazing. I love this girl so much. Um, I enjoyed it. I even shared it on my community tab. So if you're interested, go and check out my community tab. If you're not familiar with Sandra, I know that a lot of people that do follow me also follow her. So I hope you guys watch that video. And if you haven't, you have to see it. Oh my God, that was so funny. It was such a great experience to be part of a collab. I have not collaborated in a big group, and wow, I have to say a year, maybe more. And to be quite honest, this collab was kind of a surprise because I knew what we had to do, and you know, it was it was something I never would have thought of. And she was Kiara Creations, by the way. She was the host, and she gave each one a person, and we get to, study that person and kind of impersonate them in a funny way, not to make fun of them, but to have fun with them. And it did exactly that. Like, I was able to attend most of the premieres. Um, and it was such a wonderful feeling to, be a part of, this collaboration and be a part of a group that, did what we were supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? We were respectful, but we were funny. And oh my god, it was such an amazing feeling. I still want to go back and watch some of those videos again because oh, the girls did such an amazing job. So check out my latest video too. um is the channel takeover, and you'll see what I'm talking about if you haven't seen it yet. So yeah, this nail is going to be a full cover. I did the same thing for the pinky and the thumbnail. However, I had a different plan for those two nails. All I did was something simple. You're going to see me do that really, really soon, because after I finish applying the cover color, I do not build the nail with this cover color. What I do is I just make sure that the nail has the proper opacity throughout the entire nail. Like, there's no spots that are kind of translucent. And then I go in and cap the nails. That's how I kind of shape and give the proper apex to the nails and balance the nail out completely with the clear. It's actually cheaper to do it that way. So again, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the moment when I'm going to encapsulate the set. And for the clear, I am using Melody Susie's clear. I also have a discount code with Melody Susie. Again, bestie, it's like discount codes left and right. So pick your poison and just, you'll have a discount code to save some money. Um, so this is a great easy nail art. Like I said, it's, as you saw, it was very simple, very easy. If you have trouble with your lines like me, just get some stamping and you'll be good. Um, Eventually I will get into the nail art. I know I have to. It's part of the journey, but I'm kind of trying to enjoy the moment with what I'm doing right now. So I will do another video where I'm creating my own acrylics with mica powder. I will be making some glitter mixes for Christmas. So that's going to be the Christmas edition. And then I'm going to be using, for my Christmas sets, I will be using those colors. So stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I did a short with this set showing obviously the finished look. But I did notice that a lot of people were asking me about my PLF method and how I removed the sets. So I did a short because they come off so easily with the PLF that I use. I use a UNT PLF. I do have it linked um, in my description box in case any of you guys are interested. However, I do have to do this disclaimer. This peel-off is air dry, and if you don't have product on your nails, don't try it because it works too well. So your nails will definitely pop off in the middle of filing. I use it because I do already have product on my nails, which the nails tend to stay longer. I've even with the peel off base coat, um, I have stayed with the set wearing it for over 24 hours and they stay on just fine. So, yeah, I mean, if you're in your journey and you're looking for PLF methods, there's so many different things that you can do out there. You can buy, a particular PLF, whether it's air dry or gel based, um, and or you can do the cuticle oil method, which you apply just a little bit of oil and then you rub it with your fingers on your nails, and then you go in with some top coat or something. I think I've seen a few people done it. I've never done it. Because again, I have product on my nails, so I have to be very picky with what I'm using. And yeah, right now I'm just going with a detail brush, very getting very close to that cuticle area, making sure I don't flood the cuticles and I don't touch the skin. And before I cure, because of course I'm messy, as you can see right now, I will go ahead and clean the sidewalls and making sure that there's no gel on my nails before I cure. I do a full 60-second cure of this white gel polish. I do turn my nail upside down to kind of help the gel level out towards the center of the nail. And after I do that, I do go ahead and I cure for 60 seconds. So I didn't show you much of the decoration of the set, unfortunately. Um, but I do hope you still enjoy it. I had tons of fun. I love doing YouTube videos and nail sets and all of that. Originally, because I usually plan my sets, so I had envisioned this set a while ago and I wrote it down on a notebook that I have. But originally, this set was supposed to be made with polygel. But because my recent video was polygel, I was like, and it's easier for me to do it with acrylic. I was like, I'm just going to go with acrylic right now, and then I'll do something else, like a different set with polygel. I am starting to dig into polygel again. I do actually have something that I need to unbox. I bought a ton of polygels from iGel Beauty. I have never tried that brand, but I've heard it's great. I've heard wonderful things. And yeah, so let's see what happens, bestie. So stay tuned to that video as well. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I'm sorry that you had to hear me rumble on the video, but like I mentioned before, I've had music issues with YouTube. So I'd rather just talk because I always have something to talk about. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.